Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make slime. So
Nanti ada banyak.
I put the glue in there. It's this kind of glue. And we need gum. Yeah. So I'm gonna put the gum inside this two dots. I put the glue already. It's coffee milk glue. You can buy it like maybe in the shop. So I put 2 drops already. Now it's becoming slime. Yeah, it's clear slime. Oh yeah, it's clear slime. Ooh, wow. It's really jiggly though. Ugh, it's so clear. And I'm gonna put another drop. I have this one more, but I don't want to finish my glue. Okay, now.